Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can convert your Dai token to USDT in Trust Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you open up the Trust Wallet application. With the Trust Wallet application opened up, the first step we're going to take is we're going to add the Dai token to our wallet. To do this, you could simply search for the DAI, that's the Dai. And the Dai we have here is the BNB pegged Dai token. Now, there's one thing you're going to need to note is both the Dai and the USDT exist in different networks. So when you convert your Dai to the USDT is going to take on the network of the Dai. So if you're converting the Dai token from the BNB Smart Chain into the USDT then becomes the USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. So guys, to add this Dai token on our wallet, all we need to do is minimize, open up your Chrome by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video. Log on to coinmarketcap.com, scroll down to where we have the contract addresses, click on the more icon and copy the wallet address or the contract address for the BNB token. Once you've copied the contract address for the Dai token, minimize, open up the Trust Wallet, head over to the Manage Crypto at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon. The network is the BNB Smart Chain. Paste the contract address. The name and symbol would be entered automatically. And once it's done, click on Save. And then we get to have the Dai token on our wallet. Now, how can we convert our Dai to USDT? All you need to do is make sure you have the available Dai token. If you remember, the Dai token we have here is on the Binance Smart Chain, it's on the BNB Smart Chain. So we're going to need some BNB tokens. That's this Smart Chain tokens here is required to convert your Dai to USDT. Now, to convert, click on the Dai token, click on Swap, and click on Swap once more. We can easily swap our Dai token into the USDT. So simply search for USDT. And the USDT we're searching for is going to be the USDT on the BNB network, which is this USDT here, the Tether USD. Click on this Tether USD and we can easily convert our Dai token into the USDT. To do this, click on Approve, pay the approval fee, enter your passcode, and it's been approved. Now we can simply convert all of our Dai into the USDT. Simply click on Max and click on Preview Swap. Once you select the Preview Swap, we simply pay the provider fee of 0.02 and convert to the USDT. So now simply swap, enter the amount you wish to swap, and the transaction is being processed. Now all you need to do is head back to your wallet and simply perform a reload, and you'd find that the Dai token is no longer there. And once you click on the swap, which is in the history, once you click on swap, you'd find that we've successfully converted or swapped our Dai to the USDT. And this USDT now is going to be on the BNB Smart Chain. So we have some USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can swap our Dai to USDT, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.